how can I get the spare parts and what's the cost? First, we always ship a set of the commonly used spare parts along with our machine. These parts are free and good for 3 to 12 months use. Just depends on the different change frequency of the different materials. Yeah, and this is also a good saving on the shipping fee because the machines are always shipped by sea. So when we just ship out the spare parts along with them, it can be most cost effective. Second is that our Washington office keeps small and the most frequently used parts in stock for the quick delivery. Third is that our Chinese factory can react very fast to your request. You just let us know which materials you want so they can ship them very fast through sea or through the air just upon to your request.